Hey everyone, today I've got something very special and long overdue. It is none other than the Regal Robot Bib Fortuna Concept Maquette replica, and I have to say, it's fantastic. For those of you unaware of what a concept maquette is, I'll do a quick recap. During the production of Return of the Jedi, George Lucas tasked the Creature Shop with creating a whole host of aliens to give life to the Jabba's Palace sequences at the beginning of the film. The first step in this process was creating quick sculptures which would be used as a proof of concept for the character and a reference to fabricate the full-size costumes. I think a cool part about the maquettes is that they're painted loosely and in the same style that they were back in the day. So some people might be wondering why the paint job looks the way it does, and that's because it's exactly how it looks on the actual maquette in the archives, and I think it's really cool that we get to own a piece of Star Wars history like this. Diving right in, I want to say that the sculpting and paint job is really nice. Part of that is because they're hand painted in the United States by a very talented team, and also because they have direct lineage to the original maquette. Like all the other maquettes they produce, this one is digitally scanned from the original in the Lucasfilm archives and is the closest thing you can get to having it in your hands. I swear, every time I see one of these maquettes and I see it next to a photo of the original, it looks like I just walked into the Lucasfilm archives and took it right off the shelves. My favorite part of the paint has got to be on the back and tentacle area. I think it's one of the more vibrant of the maquettes created so far, and I really love the blue strokes over the head and down the arms. There's also a good bit of grime over his grin, which I think looks pretty cool. There are two different options to choose from, a Signature Edition and a Legacy Edition. Both editions come with a hand-signed plaque by an Island legend and the original sculptor of Bib Fortuna, Phil Tippett. The Legacy version also comes with a hand-drawn sketch by Phil Tippett, and I have to say, I'm very happy with the one that I got. Just like his sculptures, I think Phil has a very energetic drawing style that I enjoy a lot. It's worth noting that both of these editions are limited and nearly sold out, so don't delay in picking one up. Once they're gone, that's it. If you're a movie nerd like myself and want a very unique display piece, you can't go wrong with adding this to your collection. It really is more than just a statue, it's Star Wars history. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.